So I wanted to give you guys an update on our sample slab. We had a hurricane hit us last month and it flooded. The water came all the way up through here. I just want to clarify, in the video I'm referring to the overlay that we put on the slab. It hadn't even reached its 28-day cure time, nor did we have the chance to put a sealer on it. And into my garage, we're calling it the Great Flood of 23, but check it out. So the water was about up to here in my toolbox. There she is. Our sample slab was under there the whole time. Let's check her out. Now look at this. Submerged in 3 feet of ocean water. Brand new. We never even sealed this. We were supposed to do a video of us sealing it. We weren't able to because of the Great Flood. You know what, guys? Let's try something. Let's try something out here. Let me go in my trusty toolbox. And remember, this thing hasn't been sealed. So everybody keep that in mind. Lineup pin. Perfect. Nothing. And I know brass is non-marring, but I mean, come on. Come on. The thing's been sitting under ocean water, salt water for 3 weeks. And remember, in the video, we only put 1 coat on. My garage a mess, but I mean, we lost quite a bit of product in the Great Flood. My brother and I were in Georgia when the hurricane was coming, working on one of our commercial accounts. So we got home at the last minute, and we got a lot of stuff off of the ground, but all this product here, all that product, done skis, taken out by the Great Flood of 2023. Now just imagine if our sample slab was our actual driveway, like we were calling it in the videos. It'd still be perfect. A little pressure washing, and that wasn't even sealed. That slab wasn't even sealed, and it lasts through a hurricane, lasts through a flood. Superior product. Let's just slide her right back under here. Because maybe we'll make a video of us cleaning it up, putting a second coat, and then sealing it. See what she looks like. All right, guys. Thank you, and have a great day. Maybe one day I'll actually get to finish up my whole floor.